Hey guys, happy New Year's. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Right now it's Tuesday the 12th of January and I just happened to wake up about an hour ago. That's probably why I look like shit. So today we have a pulley and how that's important to this video because the one in my car broke and well, it's about to break, but it's making noises when you spin it, so that's not a good thing. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna replace the pulley, put the belt back on, put our stuff back on, and we might also do an oil change. I just have to go to Lowe's and buy like an oil cap wrench to remove it because I don't have anything here that does that, and we'll just see where it goes from there. Alright guys, so we swapped over to the GoPro Max and because I didn't want to bring my other camera out. So this is what we have. This is the pulley that doesn't work. You can see it's moving way too much. It shouldn't be doing that, and if you like look at these here, these don't move as much, so that's obviously a good indicator that it needs to be replaced. Anyways, so we have the new pulley right over here, and yeah, we're just gonna get started right now.
Boy.
So we finally got the pulley out. It took a lot of force, but we finally got it out. This is the bad pulley. It's not working anymore. I'm gonna replace it with this guy right here. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so it's been about a good 2 hours, unexpectedly. But so what we got done was the pulleys and the belt. I already replaced it and I did the belt myself. So that wasn't the big issue. The big issue was having to put this back on because usually we do these screws on here, but wouldn't want to tighten. So we used one of these here. So everything's looking pretty good. We're just gonna turn it on. Alright, the belt looks fine. Nothing's slipping. Car's running fine, thankfully. Now all we gotta do is an oil change. But we're not gonna do it today. We're gonna do it another day. It'll be on the same video, so I'll see you guys in a couple days. Oop.
2 days later.
Hey, why don't you look at that? It's been a couple days. So right now it is really sunny and way nicer looking than it was like 2 days ago when we did our pulleys. But right now it's sunny. We're about to do a cold start right now. So it's, what is it? It's about 2 p.m. So it shouldn't bother anyone. Okay, well we let that car cool down inside because it's really hot in there. But yeah, so this is gonna be posted on the same video. Hope you guys enjoyed the section where I did my oil change. Oh, look what we have here. Hey there, bro. Can I get your number? What's your name?
Yeah, what's up, bro?
What's up?
How you doing, dude?
Pretty good, pretty good. Car's hella hot right now, so I'm just letting it cool off.
They sound like gunshots when you turned it on. I was f***ing a block away, dude.
Oh, you heard it?
Yeah, no shit. Pretty sure my dad heard it.
Nice.
Fuck.
It is hot as f. So what we're gonna do is drop that package up. Gotta let the oil cool. And
the police fixed it?
Yeah, pulley's fixed now.
Hold on, don't tell me. Don't tell me. There we go.
Pulley that I changed out, I never changed it out in the first place. I changed all of them except for that one. So it wasn't a defect. It wasn't a defect from the place I got them for. It was just never changed.
So it was just like time.
It was just time. So pulley lasted until 87,000 miles.
That's pretty impressive. The only thing I don't like about this car, the only thing I don't like about this car is that this is not straight. That bothers me.
Oh, this? Yeah.
That bothers the fuck out of me, dude. Look at this.
Oh, it's like kind of...
Yeah, slanted. It's cool though, I like it.
Yeah. Alright, well,
good job,
let's get going. Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah, that's rare.
50 cent cool.
Hey there, cutie.
You can't take this serious.
Look at that Porsche over there, dude. Would you cop?
Not that one. I mean, I can't
like
really
the
afford
gen.
one, but yeah. I don't know. I think, I don't know. Wouldn't get that one.
Oh shit, I'm already past $5.
Yo,
Fuck,
oh my God,
shit, I'm already in
negative
debt, dude. I already lost like at least 50 miles turning it on.
There we go. Yeah.
That sounds about right.
Hey,
It's still cold.
That's nothing, bro.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty good mileage.
Pretty good mileage. Alright guys, we're back to the house. We're about to do this. Hopefully you don't die.
It wouldn't be too bad.
It wouldn't be too bad.
But, you know.
Yeah, so
Car first.
we have the filter here. It has $9. Got that off SCP Euro.
Top quality, you know what I'm saying?
Quality, yeah, dude. Got
Water.
the chokes, got the water. Hydration's key.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so this is a video on what two idiots look like changing oil.
One is. So this whole oil filter change is like $100, pretty much.
Everything that I got, the chokes, filter, jack stands, oil, funnel, and that, around 200 to 230 for everything. At least that one was more expensive, bro. That was 111. No, 120.
That pretty much lasts you forever. So.
After today, oil changes should be around $100 respectively.
It's fucking hot, dude. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Am I sweating? We haven't even started. Am I tripping or is this just the right way? No, it's. Jesus. Some motocross with. Yeah.
Lefty loosey. That's what I said.
Sure. As you can see, this is the old filter. Pretty much a huge goddamn difference. It's funny. The Mustangs are usually, I don't know, a lot easier to take out the filter. I did it in under like 20 minutes. But as you can see,
I know. Tell Mom that
old
too.
filter. Look at that
Oh, got
difference.
the filter out? Yeah.
Look at that. Huge. Crazy. Off.
And then we
We're gonna
also
shoot in the new one.
This is
There
where
we
we
go.
put the oil.
That's it. That's literally so easy. That's crazy how that filter is like that. For mine, it's like under and you gotta unscrew it. And it just made a whole mess.
Alright guys, so far it's been about a couple minutes in. We just have Saul right there jacking it up.
You already know, though.
Yeah. So,
3.
this will not go in, bro.
Well, let me see.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so we're back at my house. Definitely didn't hook up a few times, but right now we're just see if Saul can open this with just his bare hand and no tool involved, right?
I think I might have tightened it a little too much. I mean, I didn't touch it before.
Yeah. We did definitely already been doing this for like the past 15 minutes now. We
just got
here.
sweaty, but that's nothing. No, I'm kidding. Bring me a towel.
Oh shit. Yeah.
The ones that are already used, by the way. Let's see. All right. There we go. See, look, you see? Perfect. Because then back then it was like, I mean,
No, yeah, it's way
your
better.
driveway is. Okay.
Back then.
Back then it was very.
We did definitely try this before.
All right, you got it.
Yeah, we got it.
All right, cool. Pump the jam. Pump it up. Look at him, one hand. Look at this strong man. That's right. Don't kill yourself. It's hot. It's hella hot. The sun is just unbearable.
It's alright, battery's about to die.
Oh my, already?
Yeah, I got new ones upstairs though.
Oh, nice.
Alright guys, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go replace the battery real quick and then you'll see where we're at. Alright guys, so it's been about a couple minutes since we started. We just lifted the car on jacks. We have this one on there, we have one over there and another one on the other side. So we got everything so far. We just need to take out the drain plug, which is the only thing posing as a challenge, but as soon as we get that done, we should be ready to go.
God fucking damn it. F you, I'm gonna kill you. Kill your fucking mama too.
As you can see, he's not having fun. So we finally got it out.
Woo! Fuck. This took real fucking muscle. Alright, ready?
Cool.
Oh! Oh shit. It's good, it's good. 9.5, right? Liters?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot,
Oh.
my guy. Yeah. That's how mine was. It just shot out. Dude, honestly, the thing that took the most was the jacks.
Yeah. Is it still draining?
Yeah, man. Still going.
See, now I'm really glad you came along because I was debating on doing this myself, and I think I would have just given up at the drain plug.
That thing was tough, or I almost hurt myself actually doing it.
Now I gotta keep track of the next time I gotta put an oil in. So it's like what, every 3,000 miles? 5,000?
Do 5.
5.
We don't drive it as crazy as we used to. All right, how's it going down there?
Pretty great, but you know what? We're not gonna die or anything, so.
Don't say that.
I hope we don't.
No, I'm just kidding. Jesus. Yeah, we're pretty much fucking done.
Dude, now we just. Woo! Those are not my gears. I don't think so.
No. Do you want to just? Yeah. Try like this. Okay. Just do it slowly.
I should put in the wrong one.
Wow. Fuck yeah.
Nice. Yeah. I just gotta be careful. Go for it. Wait.
Yeah. There you go.
Alright guys, so it's been ending the vlog now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the part 1 with the pulleys and part 2 with the oil change. Wouldn't have been able to do this if it wasn't for Saul. He definitely helped out a lot just with the drain plug and the jack stands. And over here we got Alex. We just ran into him right now, so we're gonna go get some food.
This fucking guy.
Anyways, catch you guys up in the next vlog. We're just ending now. Peace.